A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You want to know where the New Jerusalem are going to look like? Well, follow me. I'm going to read about it today. And if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language. Then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And of course, if you don't want to miss none of what I go and write, so just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. Yeah, man. Today, I'm going to read from the letter when named Revelation chapter 21 from verse 1 to verse 27. Then, after God done judge everybody, me see one new heaven and one new earth, because the first heaven and the first earth did disappear, and the sea did disappear too. Me see the holy city, the new Jerusalem, I come down from God out of heaven. It did look like one woman we dress up nice to go our wedding to meet the man where she go married. And me did hear one loud voice from the throne. I say, from now on, God yard, I go them amongst people. Him I go live with them, and them I go be fame people. God himself I go there with them, and him I go be feed them God. God I go wipe them face and dry up all of them eye water. Nobody now go dead again. So nobody now go holla or bawl. And nobody now go feel no pain. Cause them old times sitting there. Done away with. God, when he sit on the throne, say, me I make everything new. Then him say, write this down. Cause when me I say a true, and everybody can believe it. Him said to me, say, everything done now. Me are the first and me are the last. Everything start with me and everything done with me. All who for throat dry. Me I go give them water for drink. Water from the spring we give life. And me I go give them it free. Anybody will beat the devil. And I give into the sitting them where him want them to do. When get all them nice sitting here. And me I go be feed them God. And them I go be feed me pitney. But the one them were coward. We no believe in a God. We make themselves dirty with all of the nasty sitting where them do. We kill people. We take part in all kind of sexing. We walk over. We worship false God. And we tell lie. Them I go get fling down in a lake of fire where I burn with sulfur. And this are the second death. The seven angel them, where did have the seven bowl full of the seven last sitting them to make people suffer wicked. One of them said to me, say, come, let me show you the bride, the baby sheep wife. Then the spirit take control of me and the angel carry me away. Go up at the top of one high mountain. Him show me the holy city, Jerusalem, where did I come down from God out of heaven. The city did full of God bright light. The way it did so bright, it looked like one dear green and blue stone when named Jasper. The stone did so clear, you could have see right through it. Same like how you can see through crystal. The city wall did well high and it did have 12 gates. Every one of the 12 gates them did have one angel I guard it. And the name of one of Israel, 12 tribe them, did write down upon it. The city did shape like one box. Pan every one inside them, you did have 3 gates. 3 pan the north side, 3 pan the south side, 3 pan the east side, and 3 pan the west side. The wall of the city did build upon 12 big stone. And every one of the stone them did have the name for one of the baby sheep, 12 apostle them, right down upon it. The angel we did not talk to me did have one ruler in him hand we make out a goal. That ruler there, I did for measure the city, the gate them, and the wall them. No, the city did shape like one box. Long way and crossway it measure the same thing. When the angel measure it, it did 1,400 mile long, 1,400 mile wide, and 1,400 mile high. All I side them, they measure the same thing. He measure the city wall with him ruler, and it did 216 foot high, as according to how people measure things. And at the same way for measure, the angel did I use. The city wall did make out of some pretty green and blue stone when named jasper. And the city did make out of the best kind of gold. And the way the gold did so good, it come in like light did a shine through it, just like how light shine through glass. The 12 big stone where the city wall did build pan did make out of all kind of pretty deer stone. The first stone make out of jasper. Stone number 2, I did one blue stone named sapphire. Number 3, I did chalcedony, where did green with no other color. Stone number 4, I did one red and green stone named emerald. Number 5, I did one sardonic stone. We have red and some other color. Stone number 6, I did one red and green stone named carnelian. Number 7, I did one yellow gold stone named chrysolite. Number 8, I did one stone named beryl with blue and green and no other color. Stone number 9, I did topaz. It's yellow. Stone number 10, I did chrysoprase, we look like green apple. Number 11, I did jacinth, we mix with red, orange, blue, and green. And stone number 12, I want purple stone named amethyst. The 12 gate them are 12 pearl. So one gate make out of one pearl. And the main road in the city, they make out of the best kind of gold. And the way all the gold did so good, it come in like light, did I shine through it, just like how light shine through glass. Many see God house in the city, cause the Lord God, when nobody no powerful like, and the baby sheep, are them a God house. The city no need the sun or the moon to light it up, cause God bright light it up, and the baby sheep are the lamp for the city. The people them from all of the country them in the world are gonna live in the light where shine from the city. And the kingdom will rule the world are gonna carry all I sit them will make them rich go in the city. The gate for the city never lack a daytime, and they not have no night there. All I people them in the world go carry all I sit them will make them rich go in the city. Nothing we no clean, Nobody with the wicked and terrible nastiness. And nobody will tell lie can go in at the city. Only the people them who for name write down in at the book where the baby sheep have can go in there. And in a that book there, God write down the name of the people them we're going to live forever and ever. And God wrote this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.